What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a sales sequence in the Freshsales CRM platform. For that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Click on the link in the description below so you will be redirected to this page over here. So once you're here, first thing is that in order to create a sales sequence you need to log into your account. Once you do that, navigate yourself on the left hand side, see the conversation tab and click on it. Once you click on the conversation tab, it will lead you here. And once you're here, you will see different sort of options. One is phone, email tracking, and then SMS, chat, all the stuff. And once you go over there on the above option, you will see these. And on the left hand side, right hand side, you will see the sales sequence option. Click on it and you will see there is no sales sequence created yet. But in order to create it, I need to have it right. So first thing first, I'm going to close this one and create a sales sequence. If you don't know how to, I'm actually showing you exactly how to do it. So if we are going to reach out to new leads, low touch, high touch, C-level, C-suite, nurturing, bound leads, there are a bunch of sales sequences that you can use. And these are inbuilt templates. So just go ahead and click on one that you find the best. So these are 5 steps, but it consumes 10 days, it consumes 23 days, and it all this stuff. Just gonna go ahead and please use this template. Once I do that, I can use the contacts, then sequence type, classic sequence, outbound sequence, and all that email, the step 1 email, step 2 email, step 3 email, and all that email. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.